With low relative humidity, those gusty winds, we want to send it out to our meteorologist, Jaden Knowles. He's been live for us this morning in Boulder talking about fire danger. It's been something that when we see these red flag warnings, nothing to take lightly. Jaden, it's a beautiful sunrise behind you, but just want to have a warning for people out there because it's just been so dry, and the winds will be the main story for today.
Yeah, that's right, Katie. Thank you so much for your reporting and just talking about what we're expecting for this afternoon. I'm currently located on Highway 93 and 72, that intersection there, and we're already starting to see those gusty conditions. I mean, breezes or gusts close to 20 miles per hour at times, and like Katie just got done mentioning, we are expecting a windy day, especially later on this afternoon. But of course, with those dry conditions as well as warm temperatures, that's really not a great mixture there. That's one of the main reasons why the National Weather Service went ahead and issued that red flag warning. But if you go ahead and take a look at your screen there, you can see with another red flag warning now in effect, including here in Boulder, fire officials are urging residents to stay alert. Now, red flag warnings mean warm temperatures, very low humidity, and gusty winds combine to create extreme fire danger. Official says residents should do the following: avoid any outdoor burning, secure trailer chains to prevent sparks, properly dispose of cigarettes, avoid parking vehicles on dry grass, and of course have an evacuation plan ready just in case. Now, they also recommend keeping phones charged and monitoring local alerts for any fast-changing conditions. And once again, these winds are expected to get gusty this afternoon and lasting really into the evening hours. And, you know, we've been seeing these gusty conditions, especially near Boulder, just last night and over the last couple of days. And we saw what can happen if things are treated correctly. So now is definitely the time to make sure you prepare and just stay prepared throughout the rest of the day into the weekend, because I know a lot of events are happening and I know a lot of people are planning to barbecue, maybe being out there on that grill. So just be mindful as you're doing those events. Live near Boulder, Jaden Knowles for 9 News.